wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
And in case we don't see you on the afternoon or maybe on the evening, good afternoon and also good evening.
So, we are from the fifth group of Extreme would like to show a process on how to make a sweet potato cheese spread based off our materials.
Wait, what was our material last week? Our material that we're in progress of learning is procedural text. Yay!
For the outer layer of the sweet potato cheese spread, you will need here is the first ingredient: 100 grams of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 60 milliliters of milk.
So, for the inner layer of the sweet potato cheesy bread, first of all, you will need 200 grams of sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 20 milliliter of milk, several cuts of mozzarella cheese as much as you want it to be stretchy,
And a little butter.
To start the cooking process, mix the wheat flour that you've prepared with the salt. Be sure to count the teaspoon of the salt precisely. After both of the ingredients are mixed, pour the milk into the cup to create the dough texture. Don't forget about the vegetable oil. You will need to keep the dough moisture and not sticky or dry at all. And lastly, mix them all together.
After you are done mixing the outer layer ingredients, start kneading the dough with your hand to make it smooth and rollable. Point plus if it looks aesthetic.
Fill half of your stock pot with water. Put your streamer on top of your pot, and when the water boils, let your sweet potato have a sauna for about 15 minutes until it turns soft.
Then put the pot aside, and before your potatoes cool down, put them inside a small bowl and start to crush them with your fork until it's smooth. But before it turns into a dough-like texture, add 2 tablespoons of sugar while you smoothen the leftover chunks.
Now, set aside the fillings and show us your dough. Put your dough on a clean flat surface before rolling them flat with a roller pin. After the dough is rolled flat, set up your mozzarella cheese as much as you want the bread to be stretchy and cheesy. And don't forget about the crushed sweet potato. Put them on top of the mozza and stack another pile of cheese on top of the potato. Okay, you don't want the cheese to spill everywhere, right? That's why you'll have to close and tighten the dough. Now, heat up your saucepan and add your butter until it melts.
Let it cook, and when it turns golden brown and crispy, set it on a big plate. Cut it into several pieces.
Here is the end of our tutorial. How does the result looks like? Get closer, Amira. Yay! We really hope that this tutorial can help any one of you to create another SPCB.
What is SPCB?
SPCB is sweet
Potato.
potato cheese bread.
Yay!
So, technically it's look ugly, but the taste, I swear, it's going to be heavenly.
Also, one thing that you need to evaluate when you're cooking is to actually have a precise grams of flour and also oil, so it won't look like this.
dan get bigger.
Mhm.
Bigger. Just get smaller. Fisik bisa diubah.
Materi bisa dicari, tapi sweet potato cheese bread nggak datang 2 kali.
Kelompok 5 nih bos.
Klik dong. Kamsahamnida.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.